viewers, in this video we are going to learn solving quadratic equation using completing the square. We're going to solve quadratic equation using completing the square. Then there is a rule that says try to make the coefficient of a to be equals to 1. Since now the coefficient of a is equals to 1, then we can say solution. We have x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equals to 0. Now the coefficient of a is equals to 1. Okay, then the next thing to do, we are going to take the constant to the right hand side. Okay, this x squared minus 7x is equals to minus 10. Then the next step is we find the half of b, square it and add it to both sides. What is the half of b? The b here is minus 7. What is half of minus 7? Half of minus 7 is 7 divided by 2. Then we can square it and add it to both sides. Therefore, we have x squared. We have x squared minus 7x minus plus 7 over 2. If you square it, then we can add it to both sides. Is equals to minus 10 plus 7 over 2 square. Now the next step says after we find the half of 7, we square it and add it to both sides. Now we are going to simplify. Then let's simplify the equation. If you have x squared minus 7x plus 7 square all over 2, that is here is square. This is equals to, or we can say 7 square is equals to 14. 2 square is equals to 4. Then here we can simplify here as 14 divided by 4. 14 divided by 4. This is equals to minus 10 plus 7 square is 49. 49 divided by 4. Okay. Now 7 square also is 49. This is 49. Okay. Then the next step for you to solve the problem, then you have to factorize from here to here. If you factorize here, you can get x minus 7 over 2, that is square. If you open this bracket, you can go back to this step. Then this is equals to minus 10. We can find the LCM here and simplify this. We assume this is over 1. Then you can get 4 as your LCM. You can multiply 2. You can get here is equals to minus 40 plus 49. Then the next thing to do here, you can simplify again by saying here you have x minus 7 over 2 all square is equals to minus 14. Minus 40 plus 49. This is equals to 9. This is equals to 9 over 4. And the next thing to do now, we have to take the square root of both sides. Let's take the square root of both sides. By taking the square root of both sides, here you can have something like, let's say take the square root of both sides. If you take the square root of both sides, here you can get the square root of x minus 7 over 2 square is equals to the square root of 9 over 4. That is, when taking the square root of these two numbers, here you can have this square cancel the square root. You can have x minus 7 over 2, which is equals to the square root of 9 is 3. Remember, the square root is plus or minus. Okay? Then the square root of 4 is 2. Now we are going to solve it, the two sign here, by saying we have x is equals to, when taking this one to the right hand side, you have 7 over 2. We can say we start with plus sign, plus 3 over 2. We take only one sign here and leaving the negative, and therefore x is equals to, the LCM here is common. We just add the numerator. We have 2 over 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. That is 10 divided by 2 here is equals to 5. Then we can take the next sign again by saying, oh, we have x is equals to, we have x is equals to 7 over 2 minus 3 over 2. X is equals to 2. 7 minus 3 equals to 4. Therefore, x is equals to 2 divided by 4. Here is 2. Okay, we can conclude by saying x is equals to 5, or x is equals to 2. We can conclude in this step by saying x is equals to 5 or x is equals to 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do share with your learned colleague. Bye.